Hi, I'm Strawberry, and this is the Food Squad. Today we're gonna be playing Needle Tower. I thought we had to climb it. A sound? No! Okay guys, let's play another game. Let's play Byside High School. What did I told?
No one meant like, where's my tablet? Just you're the one who here.
Ate, pang ano? Ini nga mga firework event. America. New Year na God? American New Year?
Son and bride and groom cry on their wedding day after saying just 20 words. My son has autism, so bringing him to my cousin's wedding felt like bringing a loaded gun with the safety off. Because with his autism comes this brutal honesty that terrifies me in social situations. Last month at our family barbecue, he walked up to his aunt and said, "Auntie, I have a question for you." When she encouraged him to continue, he said, "I thought healthy food was supposed to make you skinnier, but you always talk about how your diet is so good, and you're the fattest person I know." She turned so red with embarrassment she had to go home. Don't get me wrong, I found it extremely funny. If anything, he made everything better, but sometimes his bravery scared me. So before the wedding, I sat him down in the parking lot and tried to negotiate with him like he was a government official. Remember what we talked about? Something? Face scrunched up the way it does when he's processing. Important, but what if someone's being mean to you, Dad? The protective tone in his voice made my chest tight with love. Then we'll handle it together, okay? But let's try to keep quiet today. We think he promised, and that was enough for me to believe him. When we went inside, the ceremony went better than I expected. My son sat still, only steadying with his fingers during the vows, which made my heart swell with pride for how far he'd come since I adopted him. I kept stealing glances at him, being scared that he would break our promise and announce that the best man had food in his teeth, or that someone's baby looked angry, but he didn't say anything. I actually started to relax, thinking maybe we'd make it through without an incident. But then came the wedding reception. My cousin's new husband, Derek, was giving his speech, all perfect white teeth and expensive suit, thanking his groomsmen for the bachelor party. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, he said with his wink that made some people laugh nervously. A wave of confusion washed over me. Something felt off about that, but I pushed it aside and handed my son a fidget cube to play with. Things were smooth sailing, and I wanted to enjoy myself. So during dinner, I reached for the bread basket, planning on getting as fat as his auntie. That's when it happened. Right as my arm was out, Derek walked behind my chair. My elbow caught my wine glass, and red wine splashed across his shoe. The entire table went silent. "What the hell is wrong with you?" Derek's voice boomed, making my son flinch. "Don't you know these shoes cost more than your car?" My face burned with embarrassment as I grabbed napkins to clean him off, apologizing repeatedly, trying to wipe the leather while everyone stared. But Derek wasn't done. "Maybe next time leave the autistic kid at home and pay for a sitter. This is exactly why we only invited family out of obligation." The words hit me like a punch. porch. I instantly hated Derek. I was ready to grab my son and leave. I glanced at my son and saw his hand starting to flap, his breathing getting quicker. That was his warning sign, like something was going to happen. I put my hand on his shoulder, whispering that it was okay, that we'd leave soon, anything to calm him down. But his eyes were locked on Derek with that intense focus he gets when he's about to say something he thinks is absolutely necessary. My son stood up so suddenly his chair scraped against the floor. He was upset, but not for himself, for me. You shouldn't talk to my dad like that, he declared. His voice was clear, cutting through the reception wall chat.
Ha? Oh, sus!
Oh,
Ano?
narinig.
Sisinapito na ako.
Ano naman ang boses?
Okay, ang pagkato na may kaya. Adi, aga.
Ha?
Ay, kung sila. Kasi nato kami takto ba niya yung malatundi.
Ano?
Hato ako, ano na, si Mana Merkulis. Kagabi pa na kami uuli. Kay, kinukuhan na tiya.
Ano ba?
Ano to asisto.
Ano?
Tapos, ako na doktor, examen na niya baya. Kaya wala niya ko na dugo, nag-istra man ito rin, nag-positive yan. Ang kuwan naman, kung kaano akuan, kaya nga nagkuhan ka mo hindi. Kaya kami rin sa kaya nga, one nurse ko. Kasi ato na po, ako ninadoktor ka mo niya sa pagkuhan na. Kasi at sinirin ito ka doktor, ano man siringan doktor, nagkuhan na iyo. Naga, ako nga, may ada ko nung ko nga ipagdinili. Anong pakain, ano ang kapiyas mo ko. Kanagat, kung malatiyahin papel, promos, nakmasok ba dito na nakayunta. Ano dito, luwas na ito, nagpanyaw, tirahan ko. Pinapakuha kami 300,000. Tapos naman na siya nga, kaya na nakasampun hao nga, mananay nga niya, di ka nagpositive yan system. At ito, bakit may ada dito, sinabat ng doktor nga. Usually ko na ito, kung ako na ito, kung ako mga mati ko dito, direct ko ito bubus. Kung ako na ito rin nga, nagsasaraw.
I can't do my avatar, guys.
Kung nag-add din yung patay, naku, quality yung taroy din kita o ng mga resulta ng MRI, X-ray, ang yung talaga laboratory. Tapos, ang mga resita ko mga medisina, karoyag niya kita o liwan. Kaya kung baka magkuha niya, positive, hindi rin at basta-basta ito. Pagkakuha ko na iya. Nagigulo kay senior citizen na niya. Kasi ato, in-examine niya, ang baya, at makakatulog. Kanya na, ato nga, Huibis, inkuhan niya, negative ang result. Wala pa namin ito na kaya nasa makakatulog. Kaya ako, pag negative nga ni Kulo, bakwan nga ako. Pa-exam niya ng piston, pag positive nga ni Kulo, mapakwan lang ang masad na katulog. Kung mag-positive Kulo, Romero, no need na ba? Kasi ito nga, pagka kayo nag-negative, alam mo na una, dinahan kinagawa sa ng 5 years, makuha na nga ang years. Waray, aangal lang ato na kung lunis, ganit practice. Kasi siya na mabalik na buwas, tapos na dahil practice, kung amot ko na ano yung pagkikitas mo. Basta na ginandang na naman, kuhan na ang iyong halutun. Ang mga resulta niya. Ang kami ito. Ay, di naman. Mas kagagaw na kami.
Kailangan.
1,000, bis na 1,000. Medisina, wala takpan. Waray po, anak, kwarta din yung akuan, may lumaki na magkawag ng mano ko. Sa lahat na i-divide na ako na kita.
Natin para
Ay,
ay na ito.
papalit ang medisina, wala takpan. Ito pa nataklupan, meron ano na dito.
Bato kasi ito. Kaya sige bato.
Waray ko na anak.
Awan pa man ang medisina ngayon na ito. Awan ang medisina. Awan ang ito.
Ano?
Saktan.
Saktan.
Pinalitakin mo po sa laan. Yan ang may napaan na ito.
May anak ko pa, may anak ko.
Nag-ala kay Bishop ma.
Pasalas.
Ay, pangalawang mawaran.
Idol, ikaw pa.
Hi, guys.